Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be an unboxing, as you guys saw from the title of this video. Now I finally have gotten my MacBook and I got the case in this one, I'm assuming, because this one is heavier, so you know. So we're going to do an unboxing. I'm very happy, very excited about this. I don't know if my excitement is coming across the screen because my friends are here watching me, so it kind of feels weird. But yeah, let's get into this video. Let's open the big box first. Kind of started to open it, but you know, there's nothing actually to see. But yeah. So within this box, there is, surprise, another box. This is probably not a big deal for you guys, but it's a big deal for me. So you guys going to watch this video. You're gonna watch this video of me opening. Look at that. You probably can't see. Okay, so this is it. The MacBook box. Hey. This is my MacBook. My MacBook that I earned with my own coins. This is my MacBook Pro. This should be my thumbnail. Okay. So this is how the box is looking. We are going to open this up. Open up this bad boy. No, it's actually it's a girl because female empowerment. Happy belated International Women's Day for all of you guys. And here we go. I've wanted one of these for so long. So I have to hold it up so that you guys can see. Voila. So the first thing in the box is, of course, my MacBook. It's new, so it has all of this going on here. Take that off. And this is a 13-inch MacBook Pro 2018. So it's the latest model. In the box also is so you get some Apple stickers and a manual. Then there is the brick and the charger. And then that's it. That's all that's in here. So opening this up for the first time, this is how it looks. Ooh, crisp, new. Oh, you guys can see my ring light. Look at that. Okay, yeah. So it the laptop is coming on. What is this? Okay, so I'm going to have to set this up off camera, but yeah. So I haven't been uploading videos as
English as the main language. Press the return key.
Okay, Siri. I feel like Siri is forcing me to set this up. So I haven't been able to edit videos and post videos as I would like because I didn't have a MacBook. I used to use my husband's MacBook, but something went wrong with it and we're actually trying to fix it currently. And I have a PC and I only really know how to properly edit videos with a MacBook, either Final Cut Pro or iMovie. So now that I got my MacBook, I can get that sorted out really well, right? So Siri has turned on and she's trying to get me to set up this MacBook, but I really can't do that now because I'm telling you guys about my laptop. In the other box, I'm going to show you guys the case that I got. I actually got a hardcover case. So I'm going to close this. And it's in this one. This is my favorite thing to do. Open boxes. So let's see. Right, so I got a laptop bag. I will leave in the description box down below all of the stuff if you guys would like them as well. So this is a Tom Talk bag. I got it in navy blue. This part of the bag holds like the charger and so on. You could like put your phone here and other stuff. So it has two pockets, one to the front and there's another pocket at the back. Okay, I thought this opened all the way around, but it just opens up this much. So you just fit your laptop here. Let me just make sure that I actually chose the correct size, because things happen when you shop online. Perfect fits. So this is inside. It's very soft and padded. It's actually like shock proof. So if it, God forbid, drops, then this, it gives it a little bit of security. This is the hardcover that I got. Really love it. It's floral. It actually matches my purse. I mentioned it, so I'm going to show you guys my purse. So I love flowers, but I don't necessarily love too many flowers. So if I have like accent pieces that are floral, that's enough. But I will never live in a room that's floral, if that makes sense, you know. So this is navy blue based as well, and it came with a keypad that's here. This is upside down. So this covers your keys. So I'm just going to put them on. There's another part. Oh, and this is a really nice matte finish. So it's not glossy, which I appreciate. So, alright, so don't know if you guys could see. So it's on. Okay, let me put out the keys. Here we go. And this purple is my favorite color, so having a nice ombre purple effect is nice. So yeah, so this is the unboxing video of my MacBook Pro. Really excited about this. Trying to be civil while recording on camera, but I'm way more excited that I'm probably coming across right now. So this is so cute, so cute. Oh gosh. So guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. This video is not to show off. I'm only saying this because I watched somebody else's video and she was saying she's not making this video to show off, but you guys probably know this is not why I'm doing this. I'm showing you guys my laptop because it is very valuable to what I'm trying to do here at Mycrownofcurls, and I basically share everything with you guys anyway, so might as well, right? So I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. I hope that you guys are reaching your goals in 2019. This was something that I wanted to get from since forever. So to be able to afford a MacBook is like a dream come true for me. And I really wanted to get it for my birthday, but I got it before my birthday. So that's good. We're out here in 2019, killing those goals, crushing those goals. So I hope that you guys get everything that you guys hope to achieve and everything that you hope to get this year. Thanks so much for sticking with us. If you see this video, this is the very first video that I have edited on my new MacBook, okay? So thanks for being here. Thumbs up the video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye from my MacBook and I, you know. See you guys next time.